test video for the flip Mino. It seems really good. Screens, pretty good lighting. I adjusted the TV pretty fast. That's good. So that was when I changed the channel. Pretty good. Sunlight or sunset. Yeah, it adjusts pretty damn good. Let's see what happens if I zoom. Still good. Really bright. Oh, it adjusted amazingly fast. That's good. Oh yeah, better do this. Came in a really good box. Pretty easy. It's like they made this box as if like, wow, this is an amazing box. This is what it came in. It like sat right in that area where that hole is. It's pretty small. It's a really small camera. I can't really show you right now, but it's really good. This case right here is amazing. It feels like they killed like a baby bear and took it, or a polar bear that was black and killed it. Very furry. Feels like I could drop it and it wouldn't break, even though it probably would. But it's got a feeling of plastic, kind of. The sensor buttons are really good. Box is small, really small. Everything's really small. But what comes in it? Warranty, manual, strap, and under here. What's under here? Oh yeah, it's a video output cables to show your videos or whatever the hell you want. Okay. Alright. There. Okay. It's hard to do this with one hand. That's what she said. These cables, they plug into bottom right side. Seem good. Still, I'm very proud of this case. Very amazing. Orange Gatorade is amazing. So is Flaming Hot Chips, but I don't eat them. But it seems like a really good test. I have, if it'll just, this is kind of like the video software. See if I can zoom a little bit more. Well, that's what it is, kind of, and that's pretty easy. Yeah, well, that's really a test and kind of the unboxing. Oh yeah, and Bart Simpson's over there. Alright, I'm gonna press N now.